Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candace Jenet, and today we're going to be doing a quick weave. It's going to be very versatile. We're going to be able to put it in a bun. We're going to be able to put it in a ponytail. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post. And we're going to go ahead and get into the video.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. 7 for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me, what is your name? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and man, I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we hit out something proper like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm like the bartender. Okay, like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm like the bartender. Okay, got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night, I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we gon' have.
So now that this is all glued down and dry, we're going to take our pack here. This is my longest bundle. It is in 20 inches. It is the Remy Saga Gold pack. It is my favorite human pack here for a quick weave. Yeah, it's 20 inches and the color is 1. Just because my hair is really dark, and I believe this is like the step before jet black, or it might be at jet black. I'm really not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But yeah, this is my favorite pack here. And I have an 18-inch bundle. So I'm only doing 2 bundles. I'm doing a 20-inch and I'm doing an 18-inch. Just because I like for my quick weaves to not be so bulky. And when I typically get a sew-in, and I always bring 3 bundles, she literally only uses 2, and then tries to squeeze in some hair from the 3rd, but it just never really works out. So I always end up leaving with 1 bundle. So I figured like my method to put in the tracks is to just space them just a little bit so it looks very natural. So like in my other videos, you guys know I always measure my head to see how long I need to cut my track. So you always want to take the very end of the weft, and like I said, for quick weaves you want to go in a U shape.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me out the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play, right around talk to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. That you do know, but never fall out of love with you. you, 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 you. Loyalty is never you. Get you, get you, get you. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, 'cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. As long as you know who you belong to. So you'll see me here start to cut my wig cap a little bit early, and I haven't finished gluing my tracks yet. And I do this only because my wig cap that I used was a little bit thicker than most and not as sheer, so I couldn't see my part. I'm also not afraid to put glue and tracks right on top of my natural hair, just because the glue that I buy comes in a pack with an actual glue remover, and conditioner does the same thing. Deep and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things, 'cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. We only have one track left to put, y'all. One track left to put, and I'm probably gonna like do it like that, so it's covering this track right here, and then come around and then cover that track right there. We'll be done. We can get to styling, y'all. I'll just measure it one more time. That's gonna go glued right there. Then we'll come around, and then it's gonna go glued right there. Okay. Last track, y'all. I don't know if I want to crump it or straighten it. I'll see what it looks like first. Straighten. Yes, y'all. After we blend this, leave it out.
typically, because my hair is because my hair is blunt, I'll take one of these and just start shaving off some hair, just so like my hair isn't, so it's not so much of a drastic change for my hair. Like I can see my hair. Yep, see, just so it's more natural in the front. It's giving tape-ins. Yeah, it is. It's giving tape-ins, y'all. So we'll do the other side, and then I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna flip. See, my hair, I just washed it, y'all. Whenever I wash it and dye it in the same day, it's just the, when I wash it, period, the static is just so crazy. I use this side. But yeah, I'm gonna go back through and like flip my bangs. I always flip my bangs, like so there, you know. So I wanted to show y'all how you can put it in a ponytail. Messy, but you can definitely put it in a ponytail though. Don't think you can't, because you can. Yeah, y'all, this is the end of this video. This is the end of this video. Y'all, yeah, it's 20 inches and then 18 on top. I hope y'all enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed recording it for y'all. If you're gonna do this hairstyle, put it in the comments. Let me know how it went. Send me a picture on Instagram. All of my socials are linked in my description box if you ever want to reach out to me there if you have any questions. But I typically reply pretty fast on YouTube to comments. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment and ask them, or text me on Instagram. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.